Are you bounce? Opa. Opa. Fall down, baby. Fall down with a perfect belly button. Can Mama help?
Nothing was in the way. That was a fast crash.
That was a fast crash.
Yeah.
Where's Orly going? Where's Orly going? Where is Orly going? Orly, where are you going? I missed your bounce standing up. That was very impressive before the fall. Yes, it was very impressive. Oh, Daddy.
What?
Does that mean she's tired?
Mm-hmm.
We should probably wait then until after a nap.
Are you going to feed her a bottle?
I think so.
Is this her morning nap?
It's all changed around because when we took our walk, she took a nap. You took a very early morning nap. Maybe. Though yesterday she just took early morning nap and then that like 1 o'clock nap. And
yep, that means she's tired. And she just face down.
And then she just fell too. Well, you know what, Dad? I think we should put off our little journey then and clean house instead until she's tired, and I'll feed her a bottle.
So what do you want to do first?
So much to do.